guys, welcome to another episode of Tired Heart. So, sorry for the voice. I'm sick talaga. Pero anyway, kahit sick tayo, tuloy pa rin ang work natin. So today, we have a client here today. This is a 2021 or 22 model na BMW 3 Series. So, anong papagawa ni client? Papa-install si client ng muffler. So, today we're installing a unbranded na muffler. It has no brand, pero it has valve. Kasi gusto ni client minsan na maingay, minsan tahimik. So, tignan lang natin yung install natin na exhaust. So, this is a imported exhaust. Makikita nyo to pero it's not a legit one. Syempre, mahal yung legit nito. Pero it will serve its purpose. So, as I always say, wait till see. Let's go! Alright, natapos na yung installation natin. Now, for the most important part, sound check. So ayan, if you guys are interested in this item or any other of our item or services, just give us a message and let us make it happen. Thank you guys for watching and I'll see you next time. Goodbye! Yeah!